So I'm making a video about about my kittens. Now I did make another video, but that's when there's newborn. If you look at that video, you can see how the size difference in them. And if you're wondering why there's just a black pile, the kittens like to pile up in a ball to keep warm. That's how they keep warm. So I'm going to try picking one up. So I'll put the camera facing up here, so I'll hold it over the camera. I'm holding a kitten. Now if you hold them too long, they start to freak out. So I'm going to put it back down. Holding over my hand right now, so I can't put my hand up to pick up the camera. There we go. Okay, so I just hold it. The kitten is that one. Now it's not that good, but the camera's not that good, but it's because I can't put the flash on because they're kittens and their eyes are opening. It hurts their eyes, so also subscribe to my channel, and there's two other channels. There's Rhythm's channel. Rhythm's channel is one of them is my friend's channel, and then there's Starred Khan. Now, since he did Roblox videos and I don't know how to do them, he got lots of subscribers. But these are my kittens, so can you be in camera? Will you be on camera?
No, I'm not dressed.
Who's going to hold you? Well, I don't know. I can't get my mum to hold the kittens because she doesn't want to be on camera because she's not dressed completely. I can't pick the kittens up and show you the top. The best I can probably do is look at this pile. Or I could put one over there in the corner and then you could see it clearly. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll just put it, I'll face it right there. I hope that's easy, kittens. Oh no, they're over. Okay, so I'll put the camera right. I'll put it there, and I hope the kittens can be seen. So now I'll just move one little kitten. I stroked it and
people smuggling business is low risk and it's high profit. And the other problem, which is in this report, are the conditions for
there we go.
There is an awful lot of racism in Libya. They are maltreated, they're murdered, there is rape.
There's the kitten.
They're used as slave labour, and many of them, hundreds of them, arrive in these detention centres where, as you heard from Savannah, they get...
So a save and exit thing just popped up. And I know if I click no, the video's gonna stop recording, but I know if I click yes, it'll exit the app. So, but it will save the video. It just will stop it. Okay, but you gotta keep them near Deb so they can keep warm. So
You eat breakfast because you can't eat something before you got to school.
okay, there we go. Now it's back with the rest, crawling over them. Now it's sleeping on them. I bet this video is only going to last 6 minutes. Why? Because the last video I made, I uploaded it to YouTube, but then it had no space to record anymore. So I've got like 10 seconds left to talk. So remember, like and subscribe to my channel, like and subscribe to Rhythm's channel, and like and subscribe to Darren's channel. Bye!